Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn and write opposites words. 1. Big, SMALL, small. HOT, hot. COLD, cold. In, OUT, out. UP, up. DOWN, down. DAY, day. NIGHT, night. NEW, new. OLD, old. FULL, full. EMPTY, empty. TALL, tall. SHORT, short. FAST, fast. SLOW, slow. HAPPY, happy. SAD, sad. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.